Morning guys, I hope we're well. I hope we've had a lovely bank holiday weekend and managed to get out in the sunshine a little bit. Now I'm going to start off with a couple of shout outs. The first one goes to Corey Tate. He managed to find a couple of solutions to my Mate 100 challenge in maths on Friday. Second shout out goes to Bailey. He sent me a lovely thank you video which really made me smile. Now just a couple of bits to remind you of. On our Year 5 learning page, there is a challenge, a PE challenge. Miss Tucker's asked if you could really have a go at that, and because I think we're apparently sixth school on that, and she would like for us to be on top. So please, if you know there's people not watching these videos, if you could just give them a message and encourage them to have a look at that page and just do your best, and we'll try and do as best as we can for Redbrook and represent our school as best we can. Now, I did promise to show you a solution to the paperclip challenge, the floating paperclip challenge. So that is coming up in the next video. And I'm also going to show you a new thing that I've discovered, something that I've been doing with Joel, but is really interesting, another little science experiment. So you can see that as well in a second. And then we'll just finish the video again with some of the work that you've sent me over the last couple of days. Okay, so back again, same cup look, and I did say there was the clue with the two paper clips. You can just see those there, and if you just look carefully what I've done with that, I've bent one of the paper clips and made a little handle for it, so you can pick that up. And then if you just carefully, try and do this with my left hand, carefully lower that into the water and then take that away, you can see, look, that it's floating around. If I move it, you can see so it's floating around, look, and that's all to do with the surface tension of the water that allows it to stay up. Just to check and just to prove to you that it is floating, if I push it down, there you go, look, it's gone down to the bottom. Okay, so the final thing I want to show you guys is I've just got a cup, and inside this cup I've got a mixture of corn flour and water. Now you can see at this point, if I slowly move the spoon around, you can see that it's a liquid. So you put your finger in, finger disappears into the liquid, and then if I take this spoon out though, and if I just really stab it, can you see that the spoon doesn't go to the bottom? You can't hear it tapping on the bottom, it's just solid. And if I drag that around, look, you can see you can nearly lift it out as a solid, and it just runs off the spoon like that. So maybe give that a try, see what you can do with it, and have a little play around with it. It's really good fun, it's really strange, and try and work out the science behind how that works.